Alright, page 3 says that Mr. Andrews would like to rid his lawn of dandelions. He applies weed killer every Sunday, which removes 1/5 of the dandelion population. There are 100 dandelions on the first Sunday that he applies the weed killer. Write a sequence that represents the number of dandelions remaining after each week. Show at least 5 weeks. Okay, so I'm going to do, our starting week is always week 0. Okay, and I know I start with 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You really don't have to go up to 5, but it says 5th week, so I'm going to do 5. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will really work. All right, and it says that it goes down by 1/5. Okay, so I'm going to do 100 times 1/5, and I get 20. Okay, 20 times 1/5 is 4. Okay, 4 times 1/5 is 0.8, and 0.8 times 1/5 is 0.16. Okay, so what is the common ratio? The ratio is 1/5. Okay, that's what our we're multiplying it by, our pattern. Okay, what does it represent? It represents decay, because the ratio is less than 1, or it decreases. Okay, so now it says match the correct one. I know that a parabola is always quadratic. I know that a straight line is always linear. And I know that this smooth curve here is always exponential. Okay, 11, we're going to look at a table and try to determine what it is. Alright, so I'm going to look here. Alright, and right away when I see this repeating on both sides, alright, I see that. That looks like a vertex because I have -2, -2, 1, and 1 in my y's. So I have a good idea that that's quadratic because it is symmetrical. Symmetrical. That's terrible. That's not spelled right. And there is a vertex. Okay, 12. I'm going to see if I can identify a pattern. So 5 to 3 is -5 or -5. 3 to -2 is -5. This is -5 and -5. Okay, so since there is a common difference, it is linear. Okay, my last one, I need to go from 12 to 3. 12 to 3, that's going to be divided by 4. But remember, I don't write divided by 4, I write times 1/4. Okay, and times 1/4, times 1/4, times 1/4. Okay, so that's a common ratio since it's multiplication, so it is exponential.